How's it going? This is Sam with the Droning Company. I'm here with Jack from Skydio. How's it going, Jack?
Hey, what's up, Sam?
Not much. Good. Excited to be here.
Yeah, thanks for talking with us.
Yeah, absolutely. So Skydio's kind of claim to fame is autonomy in flight, right?
Yep.
So I guess can you just kind of give me a rundown of what you guys got going on here today?
Yeah, so the whole idea of Skydio is essentially creating scalable solutions for organizations to adopt aerial robotics. Essentially what we're doing is we're integrating cameras with an NVIDIA chip in there to essentially allow the drone to have perception of the world. So similar to how your two eyes help you navigate the world, we're now teaching an aerial robot how to do the same. So we believe that that's truly the idea, truly the key to really organizations scaling autonomous solutions like drones, because you don't want somebody who's been walking a line for 25 years having to now spend hours and hours and hours to become the specialist to operating a drone. We want it to be as simple as a tape measure and a tool belt. So we truly think that autonomy and that perception technology is what unlocks that.
Yeah, absolutely. So I guess can you give me a little bit of a rundown on how that technology works, as far as how it knows what it's seeing?
Yep, so we use a NVIDIA processor that's on their Jettison lineup called the TX2. It's a 256 core processor that is essentially taking in data from 6 navigation cameras.
Okay.
Each camera is 4K capable. We don't record in 4K just because that's a lot of data to process.
Yeah, absolutely.
But each camera is downsampled to around 720p to be able to really process the data about 500 times per second to build the structure for motion models on the drone to help the drone perceive the environment. So that's really what's kind of happening on this drone, and that's what's happening on our Skydio 2 as well.
Fantastic. So if people want to kind of find out more about this, as far as maybe enterprise stuff as well, where can they go to find you guys?
Yeah, go to Skydio.com. We also have our user conference coming up, Skydio Ascend, which is a really great place to kind of hear, hey, what we're doing, what we're developing, really hear customer testimonials as well as hey, what are we doing in the utility space, construction, engineering space. So really great environment, great place to learn a little bit more about our technology.
Fantastic. Well, Jack, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Thanks, Sam. Appreciate it.
And this is, again, it was Skydio, so definitely check them out.